Hi, this is Stacy with 𝗕𝗏𝗘𝗏, and I want to talk to you today about fuller, longer lashes that come from using this mascara. This is by Wonderskin. I really like this mascara because it is very moistening on the lashes. When you take it out of the tube, you can definitely see that moisture in the mascara. The mascara leaves my eyelashes really feeling nice and full, and it's long lasting. I've noticed that from the very time I put it on in the morning until the end of the day, there is no smudging, there's no flaking off, and it's just a long lasting mascara. This is the true black, which I really like. It is indeed just that true black color that you're looking from mascara, leaving you feeling without looking tired, but rather nice and awake thanks to those nice full lashes that come out of it. This is definitely a great product if you're looking for those long lashes with a deep dark black color that makes anyone look prettier every day, all day. And that's my point of view.